Hello all. So we already discussed how to reverse a linked list with the help of recursion and without recursion. Now we want to reverse a linked list using a stack. So let us consider I am having a linked list with element 1, then we have the element 2, then we have the element 3 in my linked list. Now I want to perform the reverse operation. So I am expecting the output will be 3, then we required 2 and then we required the 1. That is nothing but 3 becomes start of my linked list and 1 becomes the last node of my linked list. So how to use the stack to complete this task? So first, what is meant by stack? So stack is a linear data structure in which we are trying to add a data as well as we are going to pop out the data from one end, that is nothing but the top of the stack. So to reverse a linked list here, I am going to iterate through this linked list and push the values of every node onto the stack. So first I will push 1, after that 2 will be pushed onto the stack, and after that 3 will be pushed onto the stack. After that, what task we are going to perform is nothing but you can observe that when I want to perform the pop operation onto the stack, I will first pop out 3, after that pop out 2 will be there, and after that I can pop out 1. So if you observe this element are as per our requirement. So what we can do, so I will iterate this linked list as well as I will pop out the element from the stack simultaneously. I am going to update the node value of a stack with the help of pop out value. So here I will pop out the value 3 and I will replace it with the value 1. After that I will pop out value 2, I will replace with the value 2. After that I will pop out the value 1 and I will replace it with the 3. So now you can observe that this link is already present because we are replacing the value of the linked list itself. So here your reverse linked list is created. So let us check in short what was the algorithmic step. So first we have to check your linked list is empty or having a single node. So if your linked list is empty or having single node, in that case it is no need to require the reverse operation. So we have to just go for simply return from the function. Second thing, you have to go for declare in this time. Third thing will be like you have to iterate through the linked list and push the value onto the stack. Third will be after your all iterations completed, your linked list is stored in a reverse order. You can observe it is stored in a reverse order onto the stack. So what we can do, now we will start copying the element from the stack and iterate through the linked list together and change the values in the node by the value we will get from the stack. So we already done this part. Okay. And last, once your stack is empty, that means when you reach up to the one, that is last node 1 will be removed, your stack is empty. In that case, you can found that your required linked list is in reverse order. What are the steps we have to follow to reverse a linked list using a stack? Now, just we will check a code and we will execute the code. So here, this is a simple C program to reverse a linked list using a stack. So before watching this, if you have not checked how to create a single linked list and how to traverse a single linked list as well as how to implement a stack using linked list, just go through that video. I have given the link in a description box because all the functions which I have referred in this code are already explained in detail in that videos. Here I have created two node structures, one for stack and one for the linked list. For stack, I have maintained a top to the null, and for linked list, I am maintaining the start equal to null. After that, I have given this around 5 to 6 functions are there. So first is create list, just to create a linked list. Push, pop is for stack operation. Then I want to check the status of the linked list as well as the stack. For that, I have used the single linked list display as well as stack display function. After that, I have given a reverse linked list function. After that, in main, I have called these functions. Then in detail definition for the create list, function definition for display single linked list. This is function definition for push and pop operation. Then this is function definition for display stack. Now, which is the main point is nothing but the how to reverse a linked list with the help of stack. So this is reverse list is function is given. So what was our first step? We will check your linked list is empty or having a single node. In that case, we can say that linked list is either empty or having single node, and we will just return. There's no need for the reversing a linked list. Otherwise, in case of else part, first we are going to iterate over a list and we are going to push a data onto the stack. So for that, I have taken a temporary variable which will hold the starting point of my linked list, and while that temp is not equal to null, I am going to push a data onto the stack, as well as I am going to increment my temp pointer, that is nothing but I will iterate over a linked list. So after pushing the data onto the stack, if you want to check a stack status, you can just call a display function and you are going to pass a top of the stack to that display function. So after pushing the data on stack, next task is nothing but we are going to pop the value from stack and we are going to replace it with linked list node value. So for that, I have just traversing both, that is nothing but linked list as well as stack simultaneously. So temp will be used for the linked list and temp1 will be used for traversing a stack. So here I am, first point, I have replaced a value of linked list with the value of the pop element, or we can say the top data. Okay. After that, I have upgraded both temp as well as temp1 pointer, and after that I have called a pop function. So the top of the stack will be removed. Okay, so completion of this, you will find that your linked list is reversed, and just to check that, I have just called a display single linked list function. So now we will just execute the code and check the output. So I will first create a linked list. So here linked list with 5 node is created. So I will just show you the status of the linked list. So I have called the display single linked list function. So now I want to perform a reverse operation. So I will choose option 3. So you can check the data will be pushed like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be pushed onto the stack. And after that, I call the display stack function. So stack status will be like 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11 after traversing it. After that, I will performing the pop operation. So you can check I have popped first 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. And simultaneously, we are updating the value in a linked list. So here you can check. So after reversing, your linked list status will be like 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. So I will again show you with our display function also. So you can check your linked list is updated in a reverse order. Hope so you like this video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.